All right, so in question number 1, it asks what are the mean, median, and mode and range of the data set below? And we're given a list of data here. So the first thing I'm going to look at is the mean. And remember, the mean is the average. That just means we add up all of the values in our data set, and then we divide by however many items we had. So over here, I'm going to go ahead and walk through this process. So I'm going to take all my values and I'm going to add them all together. So 21 plus 24 plus 37 plus 18 plus 26 plus 14 plus 31 plus 19 plus 26 plus 33. And I end up with 24.9. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items. So I'm going to go ahead and divide that answer by 10. And I end up with 24.9. And we can see here that matches this answer here of 24.9. So again, I just added up everything here and then I divided by the number of items that I had. Now to find the mode of something, you can see here I have things listed in order. So if I'm listing things in order, the way that I do that is I start with my original data set, and I'm just going to pause here for 1 second. Okay, so when I'm going in order, I like to kind of cross off my items. So I'm going to cross off the 14 so I know that I don't forget it. And then I find the next lowest, the 18, then 19, and then the 21, the 24. And I do this just so I don't miss something. Because let's say maybe I missed this 26 here, and I kept going. I see the 31, the 33, and the 37. I can go back and fill in the 26 that I missed with where it goes. So that's why I like to cross things off, just so I don't miss anything in the process. So to find the median, we want the actual middle number. So again, I like the whole cross off method, or you can kind of like underline things, but I start with my outer two, and then I just kind of work my way in. So then I go to the second inners, the third inners, the fourth inners, until I get to the actual middle. And in this case, I have the middle two numbers. I've got 24 and 26. So if you don't have an actual physical middle number, you have two middle numbers, you need to find the average of the two numbers that are in the middle here. So 24 plus 26 divided by 2, that's just going to leave me with 25. So my median value is 25. Now the mode, this is the number that appears the most often. So we can just go down that list, and since I have everything in order, it's pretty easy to work with here. I've got two 26s, so I can see here clearly that 26 is going to be the mode because that's the number that appears the most. Range is the number that, or it's the difference of your minimum and your maximum. It's describing how much data you're working with. So my minimum here is 14, my maximum is 37, so I just subtract the two, and my range is 23, because the difference between those two is 23.